The crazy hot dog days of summer are coming to a close, daylight hours are getting shorter, and pandemic pricing has officially come to an end. Well, we knew it was too good to last. The prime time for the Denver metro housing market was cut short this year as consumers came to terms with rising inflation and mortgage rates, which caused record numbers of contract cancellations in the resale and new home markets in May and June. Now, buyer traffic slowed down substantially during May, June, and July. Sellers responded and have listed their homes very quickly over the last 2 months to try and catch the last of the seller's market, but they've been met with reduced buyer showings, price reductions, and buyer requests for concessions to pay for interest rate buydowns and incentives. Active listings at the end of July were just over 7,300, which is a whopping 81% higher than July of 2021. The number of closed homes was down 12%, and the number of active homes on the market in July was up 96% from July 2021. But most surprisingly, the average sold price is still up 14%, which proves the supply and demand metrics are prevailing as supply has increased and demand remains relatively strong. Now, as you look at this graph of month-end active listings versus closed homes, you'll see the yellow line has crossed back over the blue. This means we have more active listings on the market than the number of closed homes for the month. And believe it or not, this is actually normal and a much healthier sign of a good housing market. And we haven't seen this graph in this position since about May 2020 at the start of the pandemic pricing chaos. I predict that as the housing market continues into early fall, we will have a rise in buyer activity and should see an uptick in home sales after Labor Day, about through October. If you're a seller, price and preparation are everything for this fall market. And if you're a buyer, the buying opportunities may be the best we've seen all year. So enjoy the end of your summer, and if you're interested in making a housing change, please give me a call today.